very much excited to present to you our interpretation of how we can move forward from this pandemic. So, with the success of our vaccination program and at the same time with the lowering down of the cases, so very timely kaayo ni ang ato ang graffiti.
Kung mangutana mo, unsa di ay theme ani? Ang theme nato diri is reimagining when COVID-19 or this pandemic is over. Nya mao ni ang resulta sa reimagination. With the help of our talented artists here who painted this beautiful mural, we are able to tangibly see our common shots of hope.
This is one way of sending a message. Nasayot ta nga naata sa liwa sa pandemya apan dili tungod nga dunay mga babag nga dili na lang ta maningkamot nga maluwas ta.
As the saying goes, there is always light at the end of the tunnel. We will soon recover from this long and dark tunnel of the pandemic and be back to our normal lives.
Shots of Hope is a campaign to actually create something that is a dream after the pandemic.
Thank you so much for this support, and we look forward to seeing your paintings and arts soon.